Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. You know, we are passing a very critical situation, very critical time for COVID-19, and now we are in lockdown. But at the same time, we have to continue our studies too, and we have to attend our studies and our classes regularly, isn't it? Yes, and I know that you are very interested to attend online classes. And now, welcome to our today's class. This is Mahim Sultana with you. I am assistant teacher of English, Government Laboratory High School, Rajshahi, and you are with me, the students of class 8, and this is your English second paper class. And our today's discussion is transformation of sentences or changing sentences. You know, there are several rules of changing sentences, and today our topic is affirmative to negative. Actually, this is our second discussion on this subject matter. I hope you can remember our previous session was on this subject matter, affirmative to negative. And before going into our today's lecture, I want to throw light on our previous class. I hope you can remember that our previous discussion on affirmative to negative, and we discussed on these three rules, that is only added affirmative to negative, must added affirmative to negative, and both added affirmative to negative. Our discussion was on these three rules to change affirmative to negative. Today we will learn some more rules to change affirmative sentence to negative. Our first rule: how to change every added affirmative sentence to negative, such as every added affirmative sentence, everyone hates a liar. This is every added affirmative sentence, and how will you change it into negative? Look at the rules on the screen that I have written there. To change every added affirmative into negative, there is plus subject plus but plus rest of the sentence. We can take an example that it will be more clear to you. Everyone hates a liar. Negative: there is no one but hates a liar. Another example: every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Notice one thing, that in the place of every we have to take there is. The sentence starts with there is. Then subject plus but plus rest of the sentence. Okay, this is the rule to change every added affirmative sentence into negative. I hope you understood the rules. Now the next rule, that is to change as soon as added affirmative into negative. What will you do? In that case, you have to follow the rules, that is no sooner had plus subject plus V3 plus rest of the sentence plus then plus the second sentence will be used in the place of as soon as. We can take an example that it will be more clear to you. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Negative. No sooner had the thief saw the police than he ran away. This is the rule. Just follow it, and I think that it will be very easy and clear to you. Then the next rule, that is to change affirmative sentence into negative. The affirmative word will be changed into negative and not will be used before the negative word. That means you have to change the affirmative sentence into negative without changing the meaning. And how will you do it? When you change the affirmative word into negative and not will be used in the just before the negative word, then these two negative will create a positive meaning. We can take an example, that then it will be more clear to us. I shall remember you. Negative. I shall not forget you. He is a good player. Negative. He is not a bad player. Notice that in these examples I tried to show you the negative positive word, affirmative word is changing into negative and a not is used just before the negative word, and these two negative creates a positive sense. That means the sentence is treated as a negative sentence, but the meaning is as same as the affirmative sentence. Here I have written some opposite words for your better understanding. Able, unable, active, inactive, agree, disagree, correct, incorrect, equal, unequal, happy, unhappy, kind, unkind, rich, poor, etc. So to make affirmative sentence into negative, you have to without changing the meaning, we have to collect some opposite words. You have to stock some opposite words in your vocabulary. So keep practice on opposite words, and it will help you to make sentence affirmative into negative without changing the meaning. Now the next rules, and this is to change always added affirmative sentence into negative. What will you do? The affirmative word will be changed into negative and never will be used in the place of always. As for example, I always agreed with him. Negative. I never disagreed with him. Rohim was always punctual. Rohim was never late. So this was the same technique as I was mentioning just before these rules, that use the negative word, that is just opposite the affirmative word, and a never is used in the just before the negative word. So these two negative creates a positive sense. So my dear students, this was our today's discussion on affirmative to negative, and I have taken 2 classes to complete this subject matter, because there are several rules and we have to discuss it elaborately. I hope you understood and it is now very easy and clear to you. My advice to you is keep practice on grammar, because grammar is like mathematics. If you practice it, it will be easy to you, but if you don't practice, it will be more hard or more difficult to you. So keep practicing on grammar, and the more you practice it, the more it will be clear and easy to you, and you will carry good mark in grammar. And now it's time to say goodbye to you. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy, maintain the rules of health, maintain social distancing in this critical situation for pandemic, for COVID-19. Your first and foremost duty is to keep yourself healthy and keep yourself safe. For this reason, please maintain the rules of health and maintain social distancing. Okay, thanks.